I'm going to show you how to use the Change Color Background option in Microsoft PowerPoint. Open your presentation first, and click the slide you want to edit in the thumbnail list down the left side. I'm using a title slide here, but the same settings work on any slide. Now go up to the top toolbar and click the Design tab. The ribbon changes and the far right end is where you're headed. In the Customize group at that far right, click Format Background. A panel opens on the right side of the window. That panel is where the actual control lives, and it's easy to miss because the button sits all the way at the end of the ribbon. With the panel open, select Solid Fill. The fill options below change and a color row appears. This is the step people skip. PowerPoint sometimes keeps a gradient or picture fill from the theme active, so the color picker looks dead until you choose Solid Fill. Now click the paint bucket icon next to the color row, or click the color button itself. A palette drops open with theme colors and standard colors. Pick a preset color only if it already matches your brand. I usually skip the presets because they are tied to the theme and can shift if you change themes later. Instead, click More Colors at the bottom. In the Colors dialog, go to the Custom tab. The hex field is at the bottom, and that is the fastest place to enter an exact color. I'll type 1F427C, that's a darker blue, and the preview box updates immediately. If you have RGB values instead, click the red, green, and blue fields and type those numbers in directly. Then click OK. Back in the Format Background panel, the new color is already on the slide. Look at the preview behind the panel and check the text against it. If the background is too strong, drag the transparency slider just below the color row a little to the right. That lightens the color toward the white slide underneath and fixes most bad background choices. When you're satisfied, there are two ways out. Apply to All at the bottom pushes this exact color to every slide in the deck. Before you click it, click a content slide in the thumbnail list and check that the text still reads. If your body text is black, a dark background will make it unreadable. If something goes wrong, click Reset Background at the bottom of the same panel and PowerPoint drops back to the original theme background. And if you want a gradient instead of a flat color, Gradient Fill sits right above Solid Fill in that panel with the same color controls plus direction and angle options. If this worked for you, give the video a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. That comment pushes this to the next person searching for the same thing.